Welcome to EPS Update. I'm Craig Bernbach. In February, we're asking voters to approve a replacement maintenance and operations levy and a technology levy to help provide the kind of education that prepares students for the jobs of tomorrow. We wanted to help you find out how the new state funding structure and the new levy proposals will affect your property taxes. To begin, it's important to know that for 2019 and 2020, schools can only collect $1.50 per $1,000 of assessed home value for local levies. The old rate was $3.21. To help illustrate these savings, visit our website, evergreenps.org, click on the M&O and Tech Levy button, and you'll find a link to a Clark County website. There you can enter your address and find out how state funding changes have impacted local school levy rates. We picked two houses within the Evergreen Public Schools boundaries. The first is a house in the city of Vancouver valued in 2018 at about $228,000. In 2019, that same house is expected to be valued at about $258,000. The local schools taxes for this home dropped $345.67 from 2018 to 2019. The next home in the county, but still within EPS boundaries, was valued at $202,000 in 2018 and $229,000 in 2019. The local schools taxes for this home dropped by more than $304 from 2018 to 2019. And voters will want to know this. If our new maintenance and operations levy and our technology levy are approved on February 12th, your overall local schools tax bill will still be about 40% less than it was in 2018. If you want to learn more about how these tax changes affect you, the Clark County Assessor and the Clark County Treasurer are holding a public meeting at our district headquarters on January 30th. The meeting runs from 2 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Our address is 13501 Northeast 28th Street in Vancouver. We hope to see you there.